How to share Bigo Live link. Open the Bigo Live and tap Me at the bottom right to open your profile. Tap your profile picture. On your profile page, look for the share button, usually an arrow or three dot. Tap it. You will see options to copy your live room link or share it directly. Choose where to share. Copy the link to paste somewhere. Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, WhatsApp, anywhere. Or share directly using the app zone. Just tap your preferred platform and set it out. The more you share, the more viewers you get. Share your link with friends, group, or on your social profile. And that's how you share your Bigo Live link and grow your audience fast. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more quick tips. See you in the next one.